and cinnamon, Streusel Muffin Tops. Oh yeah.
Got the Valentine's tree all decorated to get me in the mood to make these muffin tops. They're going to be Valentine muffin tops. Not just muffins, they're just going to be the muffin tops. I hate the bottom part of the muffin, like I said. I like the top, it's the best part. That's what we're going to make, or I'm going to make anyways. And you can make it after when you learn how. So here's the muffin top pan, look at that. It's very shallow on the bottom. You don't have the annoying bottom part of the muffin, just the good stuff. So I didn't think this was going to work, but it does. I tried it, so we're going to try it again today. It's amazing. So yeah, I think lemon, blueberry, strawberry, streusel chopped muffin tops. Let's go. Oh man, where do I start? Lucky I have my helper with me. Hey, Mr. Gingerbread Man. Hey, you're on TV. Hey. Hi, folks. What the hell do I do first? Need 2 bowls. One for wet ingredient, the other for dry. Okay. And what am I putting in the dry? Does it matter what I do first? Nope, doesn't matter. You do either or. I'll show you what's in the dry ingredients first. Oh, you can't high five me. It has no hands. Alright, start with the dry ingredients. 2 cups of flour. 1 cup of sugar. I'm having half white and brown. Well, actually, I was supposed to mix the melted butter with the sugar, but oh well. 2 teaspoons of baking powder. 2 teaspoons of baking soda. Half a teaspoon of salt. I'm just going to eyeball it. Like that. At least 2 teaspoons of cinnamon for sure. I like lots. Oh my god. Definitely like about half a teaspoon of cloves or allspice. That's a must. Now just take a fork and mix all that up, all your dry ingredients. Now for the wet ingredients, and don't forget, you want to mix the melted butter, a half a cup of melted butter, with your sugar. You don't put the sugar in the dry ingredients first, you put it in the wet. I fucked up, but whatever, it'll work. So I'm starting off with a half a cup of milk. One large egg, a half a cup of olive oil, or any kind of oil, but olive oil is supposedly healthier for you. A half a cup seems like a lot, but you know what? That's how you get the muffins really moist. Now you know why muffins are bad for you. So much oil and butter and crap in it. Gonna squeeze a little bit of lemon juice in there. Put a half teaspoon of vanilla. A teaspoon of lemon extract. Oops, not even open. Half a teaspoon to a teaspoon of lemon extract. A half a teaspoon of yogurt. Could be Greek yogurt, but all I have is this banana yogurt. So now it's going to be lemon, banana, strawberry, and blueberry flavored with cinnamon. But you know what? Can't be bad. So a half a cup. Now I'm going to add some strawberry jam to it. It's not easy to do this online, so I'm going to try it. I'd say tablespoon, maybe 2 tablespoons of strawberry jam. So now I'm just going to blend this up just a bit to get these ingredients mixed before I add the melted butter. Now for the 3 tablespoons of melted butter. that's all blended up together. Now what do I do? What? You add your you add your dry ingredients to the wet ingredients, slowly mixing as you do it, and eventually it'll become a nice thick dough, not a dough, mixture. First I'm just going to whisk up this dry ingredients a bit more, get any lumps out of it before I add it to the wet ingredients. Now adding the dry ingredients to the wet, just slow, a little bit at a time, and we're going to mix it up. Just spin the bowl around as you mix. Alright, so now I've added all the dry ingredients slowly and surely into the mixture, and I'm going to mix it up now. Now it becomes really thick and crumbly kind of textured. Batter flying everywhere. The hand mixer's like going, oh my god, what are you putting me through? This is crazy. But yeah, this is a great consistency here. You don't want it too runny, you want it nice and thick like this. That way it's going to rise really good when it bakes. Yeah, it looks great. Now for one of my favorite things to do. Just see how it tastes. Licking the beater. That sounds wrong. You know, this is great. You know, lick the bowl, the beater. When your mom made a cake or whatever, this is the best part. Oh my god, those flavors all together are fantastic. These are going to be great. So now you're going to fold in your blueberries, your strawberry pieces, or you can spoon the muffin mixture into this and then just pop in the berries after that. Whatever, no rules. And but before you do that, you want to grease the pan first. Okay? Then we're going to spoon the batter into the pan, obviously. I do it up to the line, right there. And then it's going to puff up like a nice big muffin top. And there's some toppings you can use before you bake it. You can sprinkle some coarse sugar on top of the muffin mixture, which is great. It has a nice crunchy feel to it. A streusel, which I'm going to do, a cinnamon streusel, which is flour, melted butter, cinnamon. Mix that together like a crumble top. Very professional looking. Or you can make a glaze and pour a glaze over top after that, like a lemon glaze. That would be good, but too much work for me today. I'm going to make the streusel top. Alright, as you can see, I'm just folding in the blueberries into the muffin mixture. I'm going to set it aside, make the streusel topping, and since I got the strawberry jam already in the batter, I'm just going to add a strawberry or two on top of the muffin after I add it to the pan before I bake. Okay, I just checked with Mr. Gingerbread Man. Here's how to make the streusel. Half a cup of flour. Let me see here. About just over half a cup of brown sugar. And now, of course, cinnamon. You just eyeball it. You can never put too much. There you go. Now take a fork and mix it up. Press down as you're mixing to break up any lumps of sugar. And blends everything really well too. Now this is going to look crumbly. That's why it's called a crumb topping, right? Or it should look crumbly. If it doesn't, add a bit more flour. See that? It's getting all crumbly looking. And you're going to take that and sprinkle it over top of your muffin mix, and it's going to be fantastic. Okay, time to add the batter to the pan. I think I need 2 forks. This is really thick, but it's great. You know it's going to rise really good. There, look at that. Amazing. Beautiful. Oh, lucky me. I got a little bit of batter left in the bowl. Another favorite thing to do. So good. Now I'm adding some strawberries to the top to stick it into the batter, like so. Okay, so now I stuck the strawberries into the batter and covered them a bit with the batter because I want the streusel to stick to the top. Let's put that on now. Now you're just gonna grab some out of your bowl, and just sprinkle it on top like this. Amazing. There. Wow. They look amazing even now. They're not even baked yet. So I'm preheating the oven at 375. 400 if you had a shiny, light-colored pan, but this is a dark non-stick pan, so you drop it down by 25 or so. So yeah, waiting for that to heat up. I'm going to stick these in the oven. So now you're going to bake these at about 17 minutes. That's it. They'll be done. We'll see. The timer went off. They're done, I think. It smells fucking... Sorry. It smells amazing in here. Let's go find out. Oh man, these smell amazing. Now we're going to test it with a little cake tester I have. Or you could use a toothpick. Stick it in. If it comes out dry, you know it's done. Oh, the aroma. I'm going to set them down and let them cool. Can't wait to try these. Oh yeah, look at the blueberries bursting out of there. The streusel topping. What do you think there, gingerbread guys? Did I do a good job? Yeah? Alright. I guess the test is by tasting them. We'll see, right? Now for the test. Now for the test. Look at those. Those are amazing. The muffin without the boring bottom part. Only the glorious top part. This is fantastic. What an amazing idea. Oh. Looks professional. Looks like an actual baker made these. I guess I'm a baker. Let's see. Holy shit. Absolutely phenomenal. You have to make these. You're gonna freak. Happy blueberry, lemon, strawberry, and banana muffin tops with streusel on top. Cinnamon heaven.